So, students, already we discussed rationalizing, how to rationalize the denominator. Now, we have sixth problem, rationalize the denominator and simplify. Okay, so what is the rationalizing concept? If a plus root b is the denominator, then the rationalizing factor is a minus root b. If root a plus root b is the denominator, root a minus root b is the rationalizing factor. Okay, now see here, 6 plus 4 root 2 denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2? Here, what is the root term, irrational number? 4 root 2. Before place, so take minus, that is 6 minus 4 root 2 is the rationalizing factor. So multiply and divide the multiply the numerator and denominator with 6 minus 4 root 2. So I am multiplying 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. Now here we can, for the denominator, see, here denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so what is the identity? Formula a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. So for the numerator, multiply. Okay, or this is same, 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2, that is 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. Here a square, 6 square minus b square, 4 root 2 whole square. So that is, here a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, what is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So, a square, 6 square minus 2ab, 2 into 6 into 4 root 2 plus b square, 4 root 2 whole square. That is numerator. A square minus 2ab plus b square, 4 root 2 whole square. Denominator 6 square 36 minus 4 square 16, root 2 whole square 2, square and root get cancel. So 6 square 36 minus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 root 2 plus 4 square 16, 16 root get cancel, 16 2s are 32. Okay, 4 square 16, root 2 square get cancel, 2, 16 2s are 32. Now the denominator 36 minus 16 2s are 32. So 36 plus 32, add 68 minus 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32, 4. That is, what is the common factor here? So if you 4 is a common factor of numerator. Take 4 common. 4 1s are 4. 2 carry forward 28. 4 7s are 4 12s are 4 12s are 48 into 2 by 4. So 4 4 get cancelled. What is the answer? 17 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Similarly, rationalize this. Simplify the p by q form. Rationalize the denominator. Now, so what is the rationalizing factor? 3 root 3 plus root 2. So multiply and divide with 3 root 3 minus root 2. Okay. So 3 root 5 minus root 7. 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. 3 root 3 minus root 2. So for the denominator, a plus b into a minus b. What is a square minus b square? So let us simplify the numerator. First numerator binomial, product multiplication of binomial by binomial. So multiply first term with first term. 3 3 is a 9. Root 5 into root 3, root 15. Next, 3 root 5 into root 2. 3 into root 5 into root 2, root 10. Next, minus root 7 into 3 root 3. Minus 3 into root 7 into root 3. 7 3 is a 21. Minus into minus plus. Root 7 into root 2, root 14. Now the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square. 3 root 3 whole square minus b square root 2 whole square. So 9 into root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14. Okay, by 3 square 9 into root get cancelled. 9 3 is a 27 minus square and root get cancelled 2. So what is the answer? Here 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 25. Can you simplify any? Is there any common factor for all terms? No. Okay. Here 9, 3, 3. 3 is a common factor for first 3 terms. What last one? No. So if you get any other here root 2, here root 2 common factor, but here no. Okay, this is the simplified step. Okay, so compulsory you have to learn the rationalizing. So you solve the examples problems also. Okay, tomorrow let us discuss another problems. In this bit we have 4 problems. I explained first and last one. You have to do 2 problems. And remember the properties.